Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, this is Change Your Looky, okay? And on today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to grip a braid from the base. And please, if you've not hit on the subscribe button, please support us by hitting on the subscribe button and clicking on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please hit on the notification bell for YouTube to be notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for doing that, and let's get into the video. And what you normally do, this video is on slow motion, and I decided to do it on slow motion because I noticed that when it's on slow motion you easily see all what is going on around. So that's the reason why I decided to make the video a slow motion. All I need you to do is to watch my finger, how I move my fingers, and you're going to understand how to grip like a pro. This is the best tutorial you can get, especially the slow motion. It helps a lot because you will easily see what is going on around. So just take note of that. What you do is divide your natural hair into three, just the same as the attachment, and then you grip from the base. When you're braiding, notice while I'm moving one of my hand, the other hand is resting on the client's cap just to have a hard grip. That is the reason why that is going on. You can wash my fingers and see. And I'm going to show you how to add extension to the braid. That is not actually the reason of this tutorial, but it's actually what the client wanted. He wanted the base of the grip to be tiny and the body of the braid to be a bit chunky than the root. So it's not actually a knotless braid anyways, but that is what the client actually wants, and it came out really beautiful. So guys, that's the reason why I just show you this clip on how to. This might also help you as well on how to add extension. Maybe you're using an extension and it's actually getting shorter and you needed it to be longer. That is how you add extension to it, and it won't actually show. You can see when you look at the braid, you won't see the any puffy side on how I actually added a braid to that braid. So that is how to do it. If you're trying to braid for the first time, follow this tutorial carefully. I bet you're going to know how to braid just like a pro. So what I'm doing at that tip, if you notice, I was trying to hide the client's hair because her hair is natural hair. Her hair is natural 4C hair and it's very thick also. So I'm just trying to hide the hair so you don't see the ends of the hair. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm actually trying to say. Just trying to hide it so you don't see where a natural hair ends, and the hair is very thick, so you have to use the braiding attachment to cover the natural hair. So if you look to the end of that braid, you won't see a natural hair. So this is clear enough because there is no hair blocking us, so you'll be able to see the grip. Just watch carefully how I actually do it. So that is how you do it. Use one of your finger to share the hair into three, just as the attachment is. So while you're braiding it, just be sure to rest one of your finger on your scalp or the client, if it's a client, or the client's scalp. That is just to give it a hard grip, because I noticed that most beginner braider, most people that are braiding for the very first time, they find it difficult to like have a hard grip at the base, at the roots, because I don't know, maybe they don't just try to grip it tight from the bottom. They find it difficult. So that is how you actually do it. You just take your time. If your base, your root is well gripped, then your braid will be easier for you to braid, because I actually think the braiding part of it is not really difficult. It's just the root part of it that is actually difficult. Because if you can get the root very well, if you can grip your roots, the root of the boss braid very well, then you'll be able to braid the other part of it. It's as easy as that. So just watch what I am doing. I'm trying to use the braid attachment to cover the client's natural hair to cover the client natural hair and to share. If you notice that one part of the braid is bigger than one, that is a very good clip. Please take note of that. Make sure that you maybe take from the side that is a little bit bigger to add to the side that is smaller. If you don't do that, your braid will not be even, will not be straight, and it will look kind of rough, because one part of the braid out of the three is tinier than the other, so it won't look nice, it won't look even. So if you want it to look even, make sure that the braid, the three part of the extension you're looking at right now, is equal. When you're braiding it, you notice that it's equal. But if anyone is smaller than another, take from the one that is a little bit bigger to add to the smaller one. It really helps. Then you will have a nice and straight braid. After braiding this hair, I didn't actually trim it, but you won't noticed where the client's hair ends or any kind of roughage. I have clients that come from far and near just to braid, because the first thing all of them tells me is that since we left Nigeria, we've not been able to get anyone that braid just the way you braid our hair. So my braiding is always very, very neat, like perfect. It's very, very, very neat. So guys, I hope this tutorial will help you guys, and I just want you to watch my fingers, how I actually do my fingers. And when you're braiding, when you do 1, 2, 3 or 4, try to stretch your fingers to the extreme end just to detangle the attachment at the bottom, because when you twist the braid like that, when you braid like that, the under will be tangling. So if you want to detangle it, just braid 1, 2, 3 or 4, then you just, the way I'm stretching my finger to the ends of the attachment. And if you think you're getting too much tangling, you just take a brush and brush it and then continue. It's as easy as that. And then continue on this braid. The end of it, I won't be braiding it to the very tips, because the end of it I'm putting coils on it, so I won't be braiding it to the very, very bottom. So guys, if you've watched this extent, you've not hit on the subscribe button, please, what are you waiting for? Support me by hitting on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, review of bag, clothes, accessories, if you don't want to miss any of that, and we even do little of vlogs as well. So if you don't want to miss any of my content, please be sure to hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Mind you, I'm filming from UK, Manchester to be precise, and I'm from Nigeria, based in Manchester. So please, hope you've known a little bit about me, so please be sure to hit on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. And you could see that braid, see how neat it is, how nice it's been gripped. Yeah, look how nice the base is. That is what I want you to look at. And this braid, looking at how neat it is, I didn't actually trim it, so that is the goal. Make sure your braid is neat. When your braid is neat, there won't be any need for you to actually trim it, and the clients love the braid so much. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope I'm going to see you on my next one, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. See you on my next one. Bye.